Hello, I'd like to share my screen and yeah, spend 5 minutes on the job type job facet that I would like to present. It's something we merged like a month ago, I believe, or in recent weeks. So its name is job type job facet. It sounds funny to have the same word twice within the name of the file, but it's the convention that if we create a new job facet, we add the suffix job facet, and if it's a dataset facet, then it's a dataset facet. And in this facet, we wanted to contain some extra information about the job, some job type information, and it turned out that there are at least three properties that together create a job type. So first one is like processing type, and this is something where we started. So we wanted to introduce the support for the streaming jobs, and this is the processing type. So it can be a batch or a streaming. The other thing that is still kind of a job type, it's the way the open launch event got emitted. So the integration, it can be from Spark engine, from DBT, Airflow, or Flink. And the third aspect of the job type is, how was the query, how was the processing run? Was the query a command, a DAG, task, job, or a model, AI or ML model? And those three things together, create the job type job facet that we introduced. And actually, we already use it within the same PR. So we use it for the Flink integration, where we would like to mark that this particular job is a stream processing job. And of course, it's not always the case, because in Flink, one can also write the batch job. So within the Flink integration, we check the sources of the Flink application. I think there's a code written somewhere here. We check it, which checks each of the sources if it is unbounded source or no. And if we have at least one unbounded source, it means we're dealing with the streaming job, and we fill the processing type to be streaming. And actually, we needed this for Marquez. So in Marquez, we would like to expose streaming jobs as well. And current Marquez logic works in a way that the job version is created at the moment the job completes. And this is no longer the case for the streaming jobs, where you start the job and it can be run for like 2 weeks or 4 weeks. Yeah. So we need to apply several changes in Marquez to create the job version at the moment the job is started, and we needed a marker to know if it's a batch or streaming job. So I think the more details in Marquez will be presented perhaps within Marquez community meeting. But I think it's worth to be aware of job facet, especially for data catalogs, because if you want to support this kind of jobs, it's useful to know it. Okay. I think that's all from my side. Do you have any questions?
Great stuff as always. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Paweł. I'm looking forward to seeing those events start stream into Marquez. So with the upcoming.
Yeah, so today we were able to merge with the Marquez, the PR. Marquez is our reference backend implementation. So it's a playground to verify that our assumptions about the facets are working. I think we still have some issue in CI, so it's merged, but it's not, the snapshot didn't get published and it's not released as well. But it's close to this.
All right. Well, thank you very much. We're looking forward to that release. And maybe, if we can see some excitement in general on Marquez, that might help make that happen. So if anybody wants to post encouraging messages there, that might help. Anyway, we're looking forward to that. Thanks. Next up on the agenda is Jens talking about open proposals.